Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now moving on, the next change that has been introduced in the container widget is the addition of add new container options when you will right click on the canvas. Now we all have been using the intersection widget to create layouts in Elementor, and there was an option available where you would right click on the canvas and it will show you an option to add a column. Now this option was missing in the container widget, and that you could see in Elementor 3.6. So let's head over to Elementor 3.6 first, which is right over here. And you can see, when you will right click, and it will just give you the option to edit container, which is right over here. Okay, now the option to add new container basically is missing. So what we are going to do is we are going to head over to Elementor 3.7, click right over here, and you can see the option to add new container is right over here. Now you can click this and it will add a container. So this is the new add new container option that you will see in Elementor 3.7.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.